Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create multiple desktop windows on Macbook. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So let's say this is the only window that you have, and you want to create multiple windows of it. You need to go to the plus icon and then create as many windows as you want. So you can freely switch around between them by using four finger to swipe on the keyboard on the trackpad in order to switch between each of them. Or you can also use four finger to swipe right and swipe left on the trackpad to switch between the windows. This is very helpful because it allows you to work in multiple things and multiple windows. And if you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.